Good morning class. Our today's topic is quadratic formula. So we will learn how to solve any quadratic equation with the help of quadratic formula. First of all, the quadratic formula is an important formula that can be used to find the roots of any quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The advantage of using this quadratic formula to solve the equation compared to other method is that the quadratic formula always works, no matter how complex the equation. Okay. The quadratic formula requires finding the square roots of an expression called the discriminant. The discriminant is useful to determine the nature of the roots of the equation before even attempting to solve it. Okay. It is saying here that in the quadratic formula we first find the discriminant. Discriminant is d. We find the discriminant, and this discriminant is very useful to determine the nature of the equation. Okay. First of all, what is the quadratic formula? The quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Now, what is the discriminant? In a quadratic equation, the discriminant helps you find the number of real solutions to a quadratic equation. The value of discriminant is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. First you find the discriminant, then this discriminant helps you in finding the nature of roots. If d is greater than 0 and d is a perfect square, the roots are distinct, real and rational. Okay, अगर d is greater than 0 है तो वो क्या है, roots क्या है, real है. Okay, if d is less than 0 then there are no real roots. If d is equal to 0 there are two equal real roots. Okay, let us understand this by an example. I have taken here first example x square plus 4x minus 21. We have to factorize it by using quadratic formula. So what will we do? We will first find the value of a, b and c, and we will put these values into a quadratic formula. Here a is equal to 1 because a is the coefficient of x square and it is 1 here, and b is equal to 4, b is the coefficient of x, and c is equal to minus 21. Okay, c is the coefficient of, c is the constant term. Okay, you have found the values of a, b and c. Now put these values into the formula. The formula is minus b, x is equal to minus b, so minus 4 we have written, plus minus under root of b square, it means 4 square, that is 16, minus 4ac, 4 into 1, value of a is 1, c, value of c is minus 21. Now 4 into 1 into minus 21 upon 2a, 2 into a value of a is 1, so 2 ones are 2. So we will solve it. When we solve this, we will get minus 4 plus minus under root 100, and you know the value of under root 100 is 10. Now minus 4 plus minus 10, so we have got two values. If we take 2 common, then 2 will be cancelled, and what will remain? It will remain minus 2 plus minus 5. Now if we take plus, minus 2 plus 5 is what? Plus 3. And if we take minus 2 minus 5, what is the answer? Minus 7. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now I have taken here the example of your exercise 4.3. There is example given 4x square minus 4 under root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. You know this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a is equal to 4 and b is what? Minus 4 by minus 4 root 3, and c is what? C is equal to 3. It is written here 4 root 3, it is wrong. The value of b is minus 4 root 3. Okay. So when you solve this, you will get the value of d is equal to 0. It means when when the discriminant is 0, we get real roots, two equal real roots. Okay. It means, so see here you have got two equal roots, minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. And you know how to solve this. We have let here first root is alpha and second is beta. तो फर्स्ट अल्फा है तो उसकी वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे, माइनस बी प्लस अंडर रूट डी. अंडर रूट डी मीन्स क्या, अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, बिकॉज द वैल्यू ऑफ डी इज बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. ओके, so after solving you will get minus root 3 by 2 comma minus root 3 by 2. Understood? Now second question is 2x square minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. a की वैल्यू कितनी है 2 और b की कितनी है -1 और c की कितनी है 4. तो डिस्क्रिमिनेंट क्या हो जाएगा, b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, यानी यहाँ पे -1 आप लोग लिख लीजिएगा, इसने वन लिखा है. तो -1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू 2 इंटू 4, that is it is -31. -31 is negative value which is less than 0, and you know when d is smaller than 0 then root does not exist. Okay, now your first question is given here in your book exercise. Factorize x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. इसको कैसे फैक्टराइज करेंगे, सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, हम एलसीएम लेंगे. एलसीएम लेने के बाद कितना आ जाएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इज इक्वल, एंड दिस एक्स विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड इन 3, सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 3x. ओके, then this 3x will be transposed to the LHS, then we will get x square minus 3x minus 1, and you know this is a quadratic equation where a is equal to 1 and b, what is the value of b here, -3, and what is the value of c here, -1. अब आप इन तीनों वैल्यूज़ को क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला में रख लीजिए, माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. वैल्यूज़ को रखने के बाद हमें क्या मिलेगा, 3 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट 13 अपॉन 2. नाउ वैल्यू ऑफ प्लस का यहाँ पे प्लस माइनस दोनों है, इसका मतलब एक वैल्यू क्या है 3 प्लस अंडर रूट 13 बाई 2 एंड एक वैल्यू क्या है x इज इक्वल टू 3 माइनस अंडर रूट 13 बाई 2. ओके, योर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. अब क्या करना है, you have to solve this quadratic equation. So what will we do first? We will multiply both side by x plus 4 into x minus 7. Okay, अगर हम इस फर्स्ट वाले टर्म में x plus 4 into x minus 7 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना बचेगा, ऑब्वियसली x minus 7, और सेकेंड टर्म में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो x प्लस 4, और इधर 11 बाई 30 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो x प्लस 4 इंटू एक्स माइनस 7. ओके, नाउ इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो ये आएगा -11, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये आएगा 11 बाई 30 एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x माइनस 28. 30 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड इन 11. नाउ सॉल्व इट, 11 इंटू माइनस 30 विल बी 11 and 11 will be cancelled, so x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 30. Now x square minus 30 will come here, and x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Okay, now a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 2. Put these values of a, b and c in a quadratic formula, and finally you will get the value of x. You will get x is equal to 3 plus minus 1 upon 2. It means x is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 2 or x is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 2. When you will solve it, you will get 4 upon 2, 2 and 2 upon 2, that is 1. So you have got two values, 2 and 1. Okay. So I hope you understand how to use quadratic formula. And now in the next class, we will discuss some word problems based on quadratic equation. Okay, thank you class.